Onshape is the only CAD platform that allows for true real-time co-authoring of part and assembly data. This means that more than one user can actually be editing a CAD model at the exact same time, with changes updating for all users simultaneously. This builds on Onshape's already unmatched capability for accessibility. You are never locked out of a design just because another user is editing it. Legacy PDM tools may allow you to open an older version or even warn of a pending check-in, but Onshape documents are simply a single source of the truth. Because all edits are being updated automatically and in real time, your document always reflects the very latest design. When collaborating with other users, clear visual cues provide guidance as to who else is working in your document. Activating follow mode allows you to virtually peek over the shoulder and see what they're doing. Finally, remember that versions in history is always captured and timestamped as line items for each edit, including the username, so it is easy to audit and understand what changes each user has made, even when multiple designers are working in tandem.